Welcome to Bombay Shirt Company. Meet the team, sit in on meetings, feel the excitement. This is life in a startup.
So we're off to the factory today after a really long time. Every time we've planned to go to the factory, something's come up at the last minute. Yeah, it's been a long time since we've been there. But there's a special reason why we're going today. GK Master, who is probably one of our oldest employees, he's the one who set up our first factory all those years ago. It's his birthday, and I promised him many months ago that I would not miss it. So yeah, here we are. Chippy and I are off to the factory today, checking out what's been happening over the past couple of months that we haven't been there. Obviously meeting GK Master and the team. So yeah, looking forward to it. It's a long drive, but somebody's got to do it.
Happy birthday.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy. कैसे?
आपको पता था कि हम लोग आ रहे थे या नहीं? पता चला। I thought you were surprising him.
सरप्राइज करने वाला था। इन लोग ने बताया क्या?
सब पता चल रहा है।
आज बहुत सबसे ज़्यादा खुश नज़र आ रहे हैं। बट ऐसा रोज़ आता हूँ करके बोलते हैं, आता नहीं है। तो मैं तो ऑलरेडी बोल के रखा था, मार्च 14 तारीख को आने का है, 2 महीने के पहले बोल के रखा था। तो आज आए ये, मैं सबसे ज़्यादा खुश है। सर भी खुश है, सर पूरा मोहल्ला खुश रह रहे हैं, पूरा फैक्ट्री के सब लोग खुश रहे हैं।
So before we get started, I have to meet the oldest member of our team, Shashi. It's a ritual to meet him first before we get started. So let's go meet him. Shashi Kaka. He's going to complete 10 years in June. So we have to say hi to him first. But this line here that you see is where all the ready-to-wear shirts are produced. So even though it's inventory, it's ready to wear, we don't produce in bulk, which is why you can see it's not a very large line. We produce enough stock to stock our stores, stock for our online website, but then we only replenish what's required in terms of what sells. Only MTM fabric.
Only MTM fabric. RTW we are doing garment wash. So that's one.
So all this is all RTW.
Yeah, these are RTW and some Cora lemon. So currently, I don't feel that much of this we are stocking because as soon as the fabrics are coming in, we are just issuing to the factories.
RTW, especially for non-core.
Yeah.
We've not been able to do this on
That
tech
we have
as yet, right?
started here.
No, but as tech giving you this is still pending.
Made to measure line, which we've always had, producing the made to measure shirts. Show the pen also. एक मिनट, उसको show the pen also.
अरे ये मैजिक पेन लेके
मत आना, एक एक कर
Yeah, 1 minute. Looks like I'll just come in.
Sir?
I didn't see.
So this is the made to measure section for all our bottoms. So jeans, chinos, dress pants, everything gets finally altered down here, including this section as well. And then we've got a section for alterations.
post the customer receiving the garment. And then finally the packing room, the logistics room, which I have been locked out of. Okay, never mind. So every year we actually make the shirts for the IPL and all the folks, the good folks over at the BCCI. These are all the officials, commentators, all of them. And we do this order every year. And since the IPL starts in a couple of weeks, works on in terms of making that, making a large quantity in a very short period of time. So that's where the focus is right now for these guys. This room here is the acid test. If this meets expectations, we're maintaining the factory the way we should. If it doesn't, heads will roll.
This has been done overnight for sure.
No.
I don't know how this has been managed. I really don't know.
Floor might be clean, but rest of the things are hung.
You're trying to get fired, aren't you?
Hello?
I said this is so clean, we can make this Dheeraj's office.
तो कल कितने 10 लोगों को लगाए थे तूने इस काम पे कितने लोगों को लगाए थे 4-5 लोग लगाए I told you no 100%. Yeah, I said Dheeraj is refusing to accept.
When the truth comes out.
It was fully
It was looking
clean.
like crap earlier, and then you were coming.
from Kalagoda.
I've just come for this room. I'll drive 3 hours each way just to take the piss.
अच्छा ये स्टोर वाला स्टफ
There's one part of the job that I miss that I used to do a lot before, but I haven't been doing recently as much. It's actually like being around the clothes and being around the shirts. Because you see us weekly placing orders for fabrics, touching and feeling fabrics, meeting vendors. But very rarely do we actually get to see the fabric in its finished form as a shirt, right? Because we don't, I'm not sitting and ordering all the fabrics for myself. So when I actually see them here, it's like super exciting. The little things. This shirt is sold like crazy. I don't know why. Well, I know why. It's a nice shirt, but it's sold a lot.
Today we are going to do rewards and recognition, and we call it roll.
Oh, am I going to get an award today?
For that you will have to wait for 30 minutes.
Oh, that's a long time.
You will have to.
And how many awards are going to be there?
This
Is it
time
a
we have 6
category?
awards.
6 awards?
Yes. Categories are Star Performer, Best Leader, Emerging Star, Best Team. So yeah, quite a lot.
Firstly, welcome to our quarterly town hall that hasn't happened in 6 months. And that's our fault, so I apologize. We'll be more diligent about doing it every 3 months going forward.
I think Pujan was trying to save the beer budget.
Now that we have funding, we can afford a town hall. So I'll say a couple of things, Chippy will say a few more things. Then we'll take you through a quick 2-slide presentation that we have given to the entire senior team on what is our plan for the upcoming couple of quarters. And then we'll go into the usual awards followed by.
The emerging star for this semester award goes to Chirag Javed. Even words saying a few words in his class.
Hi guys, hope you like the video. Please leave a comment below and do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.